Hi, let me walk you through the curriculum design system through CourseData. First, we have just an outline of how courses are designed at a university. We have a course request, which might be a review of a course or a request for a new course, which is assigned to a faculty. Then the author of the course collects information, does the relevant studies, and produces the data for the course. Then this is communicated with the department. An approval does not have to happen in this step, but clear communication to what is in the works when it comes to this revision or a new course. And then an approval through the program director is the first step, following a curriculum team. And then once the administrative branch of the university approves, the administrator commits the data to a storage piece. Now, this could be something existing, folders and files, perhaps Microsoft SharePoint. But of course, all the data also exists in the CourseData system where the workflow took place. Then we have ongoing reports done on the CourseData, and the reports can come from the storage system. So these could be PDFs or Word documents, whatever is most comfortable for the organization to work with. But also, there is data in the CourseData system in addition to the unmanaged Word documents or PDF files. There's managed data in the database. So the sweet spot of this process is storage of data in both fields in the database and in comfortably designed and quickly modified documents like Word files or editable PDFs. So let's take a quick look at how this system works. I'm going to log in with an account which will allow us to see all the angles. First of all, I have a to-do list. Right now there are no courses assigned to me. So let's take a look at perhaps how the course is designed. We have a course process. In the course process, we have a multiple set of steps. Now, the course data system is aimed at a department level structure. This will help to keep individuals, the data for individuals in terms of their roles very clear and within the scope of a department. So for this specific department, this is the process that they approved for changing courses. Now this process involves multiple steps, and within these steps, these are the managed fields. So these fields will be stored in the database in addition to the attachment, which happens to be the unmanaged but a very important part of the process. Now let me show you what this attachment looks like. Of course, there will be opportunities to modify this file. Again, this file could be in a Word document format, but it could be an editable PDF as well for more control. What we have here are sections that the university cares about, but very specific curriculum pieces of information. This document would be a living document where a department can modify it and without significant technical changes to the system. So this is the template, the path, and the fields that are required for the process. Let's take a look at an example of a course that already went through the process. We have here a couple of courses. If we preview the path that these courses took, there was an initial sending out of the course by the author, and then multiple steps were taking place. Because the process can be denied at any step, in this particular instance, the moved the process back and that's why the previous steps were skipped to arrive at the approval of the dean. So there's a flexibility in terms of how the process is approved. The data which is stored in the course data system can be reported on, so custom reports are run on what are the course names, the course descriptions, and any of the managed fields, and those of course are in the database. The files themselves are then stored in any type of folder system that the university chooses to use. So hopefully this was a informative, quick overview of the curriculum design system.